Hey, it's Anissa bringing you a blowout deal on the Hurricane Spin Broom. Now, you've probably seen this on TV and always wanted to try it. Well, we've made it really affordable to do it. Let's take a look.
Now, from the makers of the best-selling Hurricane Spin Mop comes the all-new Hurricane Spin Broom. The cordless, lightweight spinning broom that cleans up this mess, that mess, and every mess with ease. Now cleaning up after the kids is a breeze, whether it's broken chips or smashed snacks. It even picks up tiny shards of broken glass, keeping your family safe. The secret is the triple brush technology that rotates with cyclonic action, pulling in everything in its path. Simply roll over pet hair to pick it up fast. Even messy kitty litter on the floor is no match for the Hurricane Spin Broom. Perfect for hardwoods, laminates, even tiles. The bristles get deep into grout lines, or wet items like sticky rice or corn kernels, and strong enough to pick up pancakes. Our one-touch, large-capacity bin empties in seconds, and it stores anywhere.
Think of all the places you can use it. I actually have two. I use one in the kitchen, and then I have one in the basement to clean up the kitty litter. Now, what I also love is, on our site, you have the ability to buy the Deluxe Accessory Kit. And what's included in it is a light, which snaps onto the front, so it helps you to light the way and see what you're trying to sweep up. Plus, it comes with an extra set of spin brushes and the tool to easily replace them. Now, I said we have a great price. We actually have a phenomenal price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to our site and grab one or two today.